My name is Swapna Nambudri. I am an environmental artist and I work with all sorts of discarded plastics. I get inspired by all the natural elements and I tend to portray or recreate those textures using the so-called trash that is single-use plastic. So I collect all these plastic from Qatar and try different techniques and try to carve it and cut it according to my instincts, and I experiment a lot with this material just like any other art material. I tried working with plastics way back in 2012, I guess. It was just out of curiosity to try this new medium because I was painting a lot on glass at that time. That's when I learned about plastics and the plastic harsh effects on nature. So I thought I should be contributing in some way possible in my own ways. So I thought I'll do it in the artistic way, which is known for me. And that's when I started creating artworks out of discarded plastics, kind of my way of contribution for a future better generation. The most challenging part, as you can see, is the storage. Since these are my art materials, I collect the plastics a lot, and the occupancy of these material itself is more. So the storage and organizing these plastics are the most challenging part. The most common material is plastic bottles, and I also collect plastic bags. So I would say LTPE plastic bottles and bags will be the most common material. The most challenging artwork would be this one, of course. This is named as Bleached Coral Garden. As you can see, it represents the bleached coral reefs. The patterns are repeated in few places, but creating these into different forms and putting it together with a cohesive composition took me a lot of time. In 2018, I was selected to be part of Tokyo International Art Fair, and it was all in the theme of ocean life. Then in 2018, I got a chance to conduct my first solo exhibition in Katara Art Studios. And in 2019, I was selected to be part of Amsterdam International Art Fair. There I exhibited 11 of my artworks. The first thing would be treat single-use plastic like any other material, because nothing is a waste until you waste it, and don't treat it just like a trash. So you will obviously get some ideas to reuse it, recycle it, or reduce the usage in your own way. Just dedicate into that thought of reducing the plastic wastage. At least you can do your part from saving these much plastics otherwise would have ended up in a landfill. The next one would be, don't try to be perfect to get started. Just start practicing, start making it a lifestyle to reduce the plastic wastage. For me, in my art practice, I treat this art material and I still have remnants, or I still have products which are left out. So I create yet another piece of art from these remnants so that this will not get wasted again. Each individual can contribute for a better society. Just like that, let's contribute for a cleaner Qatar and a greener planet.